Hey YouTube, if you love bacon as much as I do, but you don't want to slave over the stove for hours cooking it up and getting smoke in your eyes and grease everywhere, I have a quick tip for you. For this we're using the streaky bacon. You can use whatever bacon you like. All you need to do is line a couple of cookie sheets with foil or parchment paper, and we're going to lay the bacon out in single strips. Make sure that they don't overlap. You'll need to preheat your oven as high as it goes. So for ours, it's 250 degrees Celsius. And I'll put the equivalent in Fahrenheit in the video here. We're going to do 2 packs here. Now that we have it all laid out, try not to overlap as much as possible. There's a few here that are overlapped, but they'll be alright. So all we have to do is just pop it in the oven. And set a timer for 15 minutes, and we'll come back and check it after that.
One eternity later.
After 15 minutes, keep a really close eye on it because you don't want it to burn. So it just depends on your personal preference. So looks like the bacon's about done. Now if you want really crispy bacon, wait until it's really golden and darker colored. What we're going to do now is transfer the bacon to a plate with paper towel on it. Again, make sure that in each layer, put another piece of paper towel over the top to blot the grease. This will make it extra crispy. Do another layer of bacon here. Try to anyway. Another paper towel on top, blot the grease again, and let it sit for a minute or so, and you'll have crispy bacon without all the mess. Now, a word of caution though, if you haven't cleaned your oven in a while, it may smoke a bit, so just keep that in mind. You might want to close the door to your kitchen, but the whole house smells like bacon, so it's breakfast time.